Hey you guys, it's your girl JJC. So welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're already a subscriber, which I hope you are. I want to say thank you so much to all my subscribers, to everyone who interacts, who comments, who likes, who share, and all that good stuff. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. Thank you for following me and my journey. I miss you guys so much, y'all. Let me give you a hug. And a kiss. Mwah. Mwah. So thank you so much for tuning in. Alright, so today we're going to be learning a fun dance move, and it's great for beginners. Alright, so if you're ready, stick around. Okay you guys, so today we are going to be learning the dancehall move called World Dance. Yes, to the world. But before we get into that, I like to give you guys a bit of the breakdown, the look, you know what I'm saying? So we'll start with these World of Good earrings. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Status Avenue, statusavenue.com. Then this jumpsuit, bodysuit is also from statusavenue.com. And these shoes right here are Vans, really cool. And I just got some yellow socks. Yellow socks and just my usual beauty store bangles right here. And yeah, that's pretty much the look. All right. So we're going to get into the warm-up. Let me just make a quick disclaimer that it's very important that you guys warm up. I always say this in my other other videos, that you guys should warm up, because it helps your mobility. It helps, you know, get the body warmed up and the blood flowing so that you're able to execute certain moves a bit better, with a little more flexibility than if you didn't warm up. Okay? And I don't want you guys to hurt yourselves. If you feel like, oh my gosh, this is really painful to do, then listen to your body. Okay? Go as far as you can handle, the pain that you can handle. Okay, and just stay at that point. Don't push yourself, overexert your body to the point of injury and to the mental point of, oh my gosh, I'm never doing this again. Okay, so the warm-up is something that I just want you guys to understand that it's important to do, and that it can help you execute the dance move a bit better. warm up, so let's get into the breakdown of the move. Okay, I hope you guys are warmed up. So let me break down the dance move. So today we're going to be learning the dancehall dance move called World Dance. So there's 8 counts to this whole move. There's going to be like to the right side and then to the left side. Okay, so it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then left, left, right, left, left. Okay, so right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay, so it's gonna go right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay, so that is the arm movements. Okay, so don't feel like you're so restricted. Remember, that's why I said the warm-up is important, because it gives you a little more flexibility. You feel more warmed up. You can feel more like you could stretch a little better. Okay, so let's do that again. So it goes right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay, so don't forget to move your upper body toward whatever side it is that you're going on. Okay. Okay, so remember. Okay, see how this looks a little more fluid? Like, yeah, like you're feeling it. Grooving and moving. Okay, boom, boom, okay, cool. All right, so let's get into the footwork. Start with my right foot too. So it's kind of like the right foot's coming out like diagonal. Okay, coming out, boom, left, right, right. Okay. So the footwork is gonna go tap right, tap left, right, right. Okay, and then tap left, tap right, left, left. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So it's gonna go right. So tap. Okay, tap with your. It's not too much of like tap like on your toes, but it's just like a little. It's more on the front half of your foot. So just tap right, tap left, and travel 2 times to the right. So right, left, right, right. Okay, then left, right, left, left. Again, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay, so remember there's 8 counts in this whole move. All right, so let's put it together. Hopefully you guys got this. What's that? One more time, footwork. All right, so right, left, right, and right. Okay, and then left, right, left, left. Okay, so faster. Okay. Okay, one more time, faster. Okay. Okay, so you can see how my body goes wherever, like it turns to wherever my foot's kind of coming out from. So, okay. I hope you're doing it with me. Come on, get up, get up, get up. Let's do this. I'm waiting. Okay, so it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, so right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay, that's the combination. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Let's go. And let's go. World dance. Come through. Okay. So world world dance. It's super fun. Once you get it, it will look nice. It will look good. Believe in yourself, okay? Right, left, right, right, left, right, left. Hey! If you reach this far, give yourself a round of applause. Good job. I'm going to show you the little intricacies with the shoulder that just make it look a little more smooth, a little more complete, if you will. So here we go. Start from the right. Right. See how I just kind of scoop it, okay? So from the very beginning, I kind of scoop it almost like an ice cream. Okay, so it's gonna go, so I go 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? See how that shoulder just rolled so nicely, like 2 times? It just went roll, roll, ooh. That just gave it a little something, okay? So instead of just doing which just looks, I mean, if you're just beginning, that's totally fine. But hopefully you can add that little extra flavor, okay? So that 1, 2, yes, okay? So starting from the top, let's do it with the shoulder rolls. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and shoulder roll. Yes. Again, from the right, right, left, right, right. Yes, good. The next, we're gonna go left, right, left, left. So we're gonna do with some music, all right? Y'all ready? Okay guys, so you guys just learned the dance hall move called World Dance. I hope you guys had a fun time learning. If you didn't get it on the first try, don't worry, don't give up. Just keep practicing. It takes time, practice, coordination, all that stuff, but I believe in you guys. Also, I've seen that a lot of people are saying, girl, I can't even get through the warm-ups. Well, it's for your guys' own benefits to be able to do the actual move a little bit better, a little more fluid, you know, with some warmed up muscles. But by any means, if you don't wish to do the warm-up, you don't have to. You can always skip through. But I highly, highly suggest that you guys do the warm-up, okay? If you already have one, then by all means do it. And then continue on with the dance moves. Okay, so I want to say thank you so much to each and every one of you who subscribe, follow, like, and share and all that stuff. It means the absolute world to me, so I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. You guys just make my heart melt. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. And until then, I'll see you on the next one. I'll see you on the next one. I'll see you on the next one. It's your girl, JJC. Toodles!